About an hour's walk from my house, and we're here at Manor Woods Nature Reserve, over near sort of Bedminster, Bristol. I'm slowly getting further away from my house to get in the outdoors a little bit. I'll catch you on the trail. Welcome to Manor Woods Local Nature Reserve. Obviously it's not very big. You've got oxeye, daisy, common blue butterflies, birds. I'm going to keep an eye out for that. Obviously you're walking through here just off Headley Lane, and then you're walking all the way across. There's a pond. I haven't got my boots today, but let's see how good that is. So guys, this answers my question about the map. I think I'm going to try the Woodland Path and just see how muddy it is. So you got the Woodland Path. So I'm going to go that way. You can just walk down the normal path, but let's just see how bad this is. Guys, I'm just going to stop because just listen to this. I'm so glad I came up into the woods. Like, there's literally no one up here. And actually, surprisingly, even though I've only got trainers on, it's really good underfoot. There was a little bit of mud right at the start, but once you get past that, it's absolutely fine. So I'm just making a cup of tea in my new seating mat, the Wago seating mat. I asked my sister to get me this for my birthday, and it's proven to be useful already. Those droplets on it, they're actually snow, which is coming down very, very lightly at the moment. And then I've got my Tokes cup, which the actual bag it comes in must be really good insulation. So I'm going to use the bag as well, and then just hug that, get a bit of warmth on this winter's day. Put this down, I'll take this home in a second. Oh, grey. No milk, 2 sugars. Look at that down there, guys. There's like a little brook. Now, obviously if I have my boots, you can come down the path down over there. You'll make your way across the brook. That's worth doing the woodland walk for. Who would you think city walking would be so nice? There's our pond down there, and but we'll probably see it better from the other side. You know what, I've never seen so many squirrels in one place. So many here. It's either that or they're just like surrounding me. Just after you turn the corner, when you get to the other end of the woodland walk, there's a left turn. Now, unless you live up there, don't turn left. No drone today, guys. I've upgraded my PC and I forgot to plug it in, so it's what it is. Hi there. Snowing a bit. Oh man, I just walked past, said it's getting cold now. I'd have to agree. It's been a sudden drop in temperature. It was definitely warmer in the woods than I am out here, and now it's snowing. Look, Jimmy, So, of all the places to bump into a friend from infant school is here. This is Steph. She's doing a run for charity. What charity is it? Cancer Research UK. So excellent charity. So we'll put that in the link in the description and donate. So after in lockdown meeting a long lost friend, we're back at the start. So that was Manor Woods Valley Nature Reserve. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.